San Sebastian. Sa Pililla Rizal naman tayo ngayon. So, nakikita niyo sa likod ko yung Laguna de Bay. So, yun yung magiging view nyo. So, this area is a commercial area. But those areas will be the clubhouse, the residential area, including that one. So, madaming commercial lots available and also residential area. Pero ito yung pinakamaganda dito. Look at that view! My goodness! Diba? Waking up with a view like this. OMG! Ang sarap. Tignan nyo naman yan. To give you the details of these wonderful place to live in or to have your vacation house, retirement house. Look at that. Diba? So, ang details nito is 10,000 per square meter. The smallest cut would be 240 square meter. So, installment din to. This is installment. The developer is Santa Lucia first. Dito sa East Rizal. So, pala yung highway. The future gate would be this one. So, ito yung main road. The commercial that's going to be, so pwede kayo magtayo dyan ng cafe, restaurant. Very, very pleasing and promising yung area because there are a lot of tourists going here dahil malapit lang tayo sa Pililla Windmill Farm. This is still in pre-selling status, so if you want to acquire one of the lots here, just message us in our Facebook page, it's Property Presenters PH, or call 0945-259-6227.